Calling all cheese enthusiasts, ever heard of halloumi cheese? It's not just delicious, it's a health powerhouse too. But here's the kicker, time's ticking and you're missing out. With just one serving, you can supercharge your well-being. Ready to dive in? Stay tuned for the scoop on halloumi's health benefits, backed by a jaw-dropping statistic that'll change your cheese game forever. Halloumi cheese originates from the Mediterranean region, particularly Cyprus and Greece, where it has been a culinary staple for centuries. Halloumi cheese is traditionally made from a mixture of sheep's and goat's milk, although cow's milk may also be used. This unique blend contributes to its distinctive flavor and texture. Packed with essential nutrients such as protein, calcium, and phosphorus, halloumi offers a wholesome addition to any diet. Brace yourself for this astonishing fact. Devouring just a 100-gram serving of halloumi translates to a whopping 47% of your daily calcium needs for adults. That's not just a cheese, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse fueling your bones and teeth while tantalizing your taste buds. But wait, there's more to halloumi than its delectable taste and creamy texture. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the array of health benefits this Mediterranean marvel brings to the table. Here are 10 top health benefits of halloumi cheese. Rich in protein, halloumi is packed with protein, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and those looking to increase their protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Source of calcium. As mentioned earlier, halloumi is a significant source of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Adequate calcium intake also supports heart health and muscle function. High in phosphorus, found abundantly in halloumi, plays a vital role in bone health, energy metabolism, and cell repair. It works in tandem with calcium to keep bones strong and healthy. Good source of B vitamins, halloumi contains various B vitamins including B2, riboflavin, and B12. These vitamins are essential for energy production, nerve function, and red blood cell formation, promoting overall vitality. Contributes to weight management. Despite being a cheese, halloumi is relatively low in calories compared to other cheeses. Its high protein content helps promote satiety, making you feel full for longer and aiding in weight management. Boosts immune system. The combination of nutrients in halloumi, such as vitamins A and C, selenium and zinc, supports a healthy immune system. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage and strengthen immune responses. May aid digestive health. Halloumi contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Consuming foods rich in probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Provides energy. Halloumi is a good source of fats, including both saturated and monounsaturated fats, which are important for energy production and nutrient absorption. Incorporating halloumi into your diet can provide a sustainable source of energy. Promotes heart health. Despite its sodium content, halloumi can be part of a heart-healthy diet when consumed in moderation. Its high calcium and magnesium content may help lower blood pressure, while its unsaturated fats support cardiovascular health. Versatile and delicious. Last but not least, halloumi's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various dishes, adding flavor and texture. Whether grilled, fried, or crumbled over salads, halloumi can elevate any meal while providing essential nutrients. These health benefits highlight why halloumi cheese is not just a tasty indulgence, but also a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Before we wrap up, here's a friendly reminder. When purchasing halloumi from grocery stores, always remember to read the labels carefully. Some manufacturers may add extra sugars, salt, or other additives. By staying informed, you can make healthier choices for you and your family. If you found this exploration of halloumi's health benefits enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nutritious insights and culinary inspiration. Have a question or want to share your favorite halloumi recipe? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep savoring the goodness of halloumi.